Hi, everyone, and welcome to the 2022-23 academic year. I'm Alicia Riley. I'm an assistant professor in the sociology department, just starting my second year, so I'm new as well. And I'm really excited to meet new faces and have your new energy in sociology. I study health inequity. And most of my work lately has been on COVID mortality and COVID inequities. And I have a new project that I launched last year on COVID bereavement, where I've been working with students. So if this is an interest of yours, get in touch with me. There's lots of opportunities to collaborate around research around health inequity. I also use a lot of survey data in my work to think about how historic and contemporary examples of structurally racist policies and other examples of structural racism um, make their way into our lives and our bodies to shape health outcomes on a population level. So that's what my research is focused on. And the classes I teach connect to those themes also. I teach a senior seminar called California and the Quest for Health Equity, where we think about California and we use our expertise. Many of us who have lived and spent time in California to think about all the ways that California has led the nation toward health equity, but also away from health equity, depending on the domain that we look at and the time period that we look at. And then I also teach a class called Introduction to Population Health, which is a great way to learn more about demography and get your feet wet in a little bit of real world health data, but in a way that's very accessible and fun. And I teach a class called Health in a Changing America, but it will not be offered this academic year. But I'm around and I'm really eager to meet you all. The ways to reach out to me are by email. My email address is alicia.riley@ucsc.edu. I'm also on Twitter, where you can follow me, which is @aliciacita. And on Instagram, you can follow Health, Equity, and Beyond, all one word, which is the name of the lab and learning community that I lead. And we have a web presence that I'm still kind of building up. And I'm also core faculty in the Global and Community Health program. So if that's an interest of yours, you might want to be more involved through events or activities, or even consider adding it on as a double major. We can talk more about that. So really excited to get to know you and hear what you're going to be up to this year and connect. Welcome.